2, 3. Spin. No, move.
No.
Wait, what are you doing? Okay, that counts. Why do you even have wheels? Like, literally, you're wasting like 1/100th of your weight. Flip-flop wheels. Hey, look, you're actually driving. It's the first time I've seen you move in a concise manner. I don't want to be over here. Alright. I can't even announce this. I don't know what's going on. Especially when ChainSaw goes across the arena like that, doing his UFO impersonation. Poco is swinging so fast they can't even get a grip. There's nothing to get a grip on. And it looks like ChainSaw is kind of dead. Poco doesn't care. Oh no, ChainSaw's alive. Oh. Everything's alive. Everything's working. Everything's not working. Something's not working. ChainSaw looks like he's seen better days. Poco is just taking pot shots now. ChainSaw, can we see some motion? That doesn't count, Poco. You can't help. We're gonna have to count you out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, are you being nice and you're pushing him to the pit? You failed miserably. You're on the wrong side. There's a wall there. You can't get him in the pit. Oh, that's just wrong. Are you gonna allow this? He tapped. And by combination, tap out.